for our ongoing class. Hi, everybody. We're still talking about using the pentatonic scale to do fills, fill in the little spaces between vocal phrases, and also to do solos. And we're going to be doing Kansas City in the key of A. It's a 1-4-5, 12-bar blues. And I was just saying, when you're thinking about a fill, which comes between phrases, and we're not singing, so we have a little bit more brain power to be a soloist for a second or two. You can just snag a note or two or three from the pentatonic scale. We're doing the C pentatonic scale, this one. We're doing the vertical version because it's easier to grab. We're already down here making our chords. If we're doing this version, we're crossing the state line here, and it's a little bit more challenging to get back to where we need to be to start singing again. So that's the whole idea there. So let's say on Kansas City, Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. Okay, that was a fill. Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. It's the same fill. So what was I doing? I was snagging, in this case, two notes from the pentatonic scale, the C note, and then I was letting go to the open A. So let me take my other fingers away. I was doing this. So you can use those two notes and add different rhythmic variations to it. Just have to stay in the pocket. And I just want to talk about the right hand technique. I have my default coming to ukulele by way of guitar, and I was a finger picker on the guitar. So it just feels organic and natural for me to go to my finger picking position where a particular finger takes care of a particular string. So you can see what's happening. Thumb, index, ring, and thumb, index, middle, and ring. And my baby finger is not part of the action in this particular case. And so if I'm doing a lick, for example, on the A string, what finger am I going to use? With the way that I do this, I'm going to use my ring finger because it's right here taking care of that string. So watch this. Move in here. And Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. That feels right to me, but there are other ways of doing this, and see if this is the best idea for you. People who are really good with their thumb, they can use their thumb to do that. Some players use a pick. I'm not a pick person, but that's within the realm of possibility. When I watch the virtuosos of the ukulele world, they're doing both. They are finger picking, they're in this position, but they're also using their thumbs sometimes, or a single finger. So we want to keep our thought open and welcoming to these different possibilities.